Well, greetings. So, I just replaced a bunch of key switches in this DOS keyboard that I picked up, and, well, now I need to put the keycaps back in. And this is going to be fun, mostly because some of the keycaps have no printing on them. Yay! So, let's get around to it. Oh boy, this is going to be fun. I think that goes there. Oh, God. Why? Why? Well, I know the red goes on escape. Still, why? I don't think that's long enough. Huh, that one's missing some stabilization. Interesting. I think that's that key. I wonder where this goes. I don't know. I'll just put it there for now. Let's see if I can... Oh, God. Yeah, this is... Well, at least I've got some keys here that have letters on them. That's gotta be a shift key. Oh, that's the enter key. Okay. Huh. 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 Good to know. Which means I should be able to pop these back in. Ta-da! Hey, two keys, three keys, four keys. Woo! Yay! Do I sound excited? Oh, God damn it! There's some black blanks too. It's too big. Okay, so that's... No, that's not the right... That seems legit. Well, one thing for sure. I remember the entire numpad was all blanks. What the hell? Okay, some of these keys aren't right. They're extra tall. What the heck? Are you kidding me? Why would you do that? Why can't... What? This is why we can't have nice things. Literally, keycaps are different sizes. Why? Ugh. That has to be the shift key. Come on, get in there. Ah. Ah. Oh god. Gah. Thing is, I'm missing some fingernails, so let's see if this tool can. Well, that worked. Cool. And if I remember correctly, long end goes up. So if I do it like that, good. Sweet. Okay. Let's get the spacebar in because that one will be an absolute pain in the arse. There we go. Cool. And I can tell this is in the correct orientation. Sweet. Okay. Let's get this one done. I'd like to get all the stabilized ones done first because they're going to be the most painful. Well, outside of these, because, I mean, who knows where all the blank keys go. Come on. You know you want to get in there. There you go. Play nice with me. Am I going to have like some sort of laugh track in the background on this video? Yeah. Come on. Come on, get in there. You know you want to. There you go. Uh, what? Oh, why are you stuck? Oh. It's because that one fell off. This one. Oh, okay. That isn't working. Let's try that key again. Okay. You get into there, and you get into there, all the way down. Be nice and good. Good, 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 good. Oh, bloody hell. I don't need the blank keycaps. I mean, no one needs to see white keycaps. Why? Oh, I think that goes in the center there, and then one of the smaller ones goes here? No. I am confused. And God, stupid blank caps. Smaller ones definitely need to go there. This one. It seems like it's the correct location. But it's... Well, we'll explore that a little later on. Oh, hey. More caps with actual letters on them. One, two. Two. Ha! I got a letter on! Yay! Oh, god damn it. I don't have the delete key on. Didn't I say I was gonna do these stabilized keys first? I did, didn't I? Ah, bugger. Come on. Nope. Nope, nope. And... there we go. Okay. I know you want to. There. What? What? Ah. Freaking heck. What the hell? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think that's 7. That is 6. Off the top of my head. At least I have the T part of QWERTY. Ah, no, keys do not fall. That would be a bad idea. That's how my bloody keyboard, bloody being the actual brand name. Uh, my bloody keyboard lost a keycap because I needed to clean the keycaps, and somehow between washing them and then putting the keyboard back together, a few keys have since disappeared. Oh, I know where this one goes. Respects. Oh, 8, 9, 0? Yeah, that's correct. You know, this might also be easier if I actually had the photograph that I took before taking the keycaps off. Yeah, that would make things so much more simpler. But it wouldn't tell me the different height keys, though. Because, yeah, that's a thing. Blarg. I actually think these are arrow keys. But I could be wrong. That will do. Good enough for Australia. As, Dave would probably say. Well, almost all the keys are out, and I can start actually setting up the keyboard. What is this called, scribing? So yeah, this will go a whole heck of a lot quicker now. Let's get these big arse keys on. Because these will be an absolute pain in the butt. I have one of these out. Might as well stick it in. The stabilization bar. Okay, come on. Come on. No. Why did you do that? There you go. God. You see all the tools available to me. An old PCI PCI slot cover. Are you kidding me? This thing is in there so tight that it's actually bending the metal. Oh, no. Where are you, thing? Whew, that could have gone flying, and that would have been bad, because then I would have never seen this ever again. That's why I'm trying to be very, very careful. There's a key switch that flew off recently during one of my repairs, and yeah, it's lost for all time. At least I'm getting better with soldering. Thank you to a German friend of mine for encouraging me and teaching me a proper way of doing things. Okay, come on. Oh no, do I have that on backwards? No, I don't. Okay. Now for this one. Oh boy, I had to do that off screen because I wanted to make sure it didn't, the little tiny little plastic thing didn't go flying. Should I be doing lube? Probably. Do I have silicone grease for doing key switch lubing? No. But you can help buy me some by going over to my Amazon wish list or by going to one of my Donato links down in the description below and helping me out. Okay, cool. Let's go with K W or Q W E R T Y QWERTY. Nice. What is it? UI op. Yup. Okay, where's you? Oh, there's you. UIOP. And we're gonna need those two. Ah, at some point I'll probably just replace all the switches in this keyboard, but okay. Now, let's get the one done. Should I do the bottom row? Yeah, why not just get all of it done? S, D, F, G, Z, X, C, V, B, M, N, that, and that. That's the bottom row all done. G, H, J, K, L. Okay, cool. Let's get that done then. F key was actually one of the ones that I needed to replace. I replaced 7 key switches on this. Some of them will probably be recoverable and usable later on if I get an ultrasonic cleaner, but whoever owned this spilled something really, really sticky on it. And I've also replaced the keycaps with ones with letters because I'm one of those people that doesn't touch type. Okay, now for the fun bit. Pretty sure all of these are tall caps. Because there's just so many of them. Okay, those are done. Let's see if I can figure this out. Because numpad. And those are way too many short keys, and if I remember correctly, okay, I am absolutely confused. There are more tall keys than there are short keys. Oh well. Oh wait, that's a tall key. Okay, I am now horribly confused. I've got those really don't match. Oh well. Do I care? Not really. Do I use the numpad enough? Not really. And there we go. Fully repaired DOS keyboard. I'll have to take it apart again to add the screws that I missed in the inside. But with that, the keyboard is now done. I thank you all for joining me in this interesting experiment, and I hope to see you next time. Like, share, subscribe, all that jam. If you want to see more of these, toss a coin my way. It will help a lot. Or if you want to see these videos in better quality, then head over to my Amazon wish list and just toss a few bits of hardware my way. And with that, thank you for watching again. Goodbye.